friends. Now you can see that we have opened a website ancofinal.topjack.com. In this you can see a top firm business system private limited form has been created. You have to just sign in, and an admin dashboard page has been opened on your computer screen. Admin dashboard, in this you have three panels: system manager, application and backend. You can see on your left hand side a menu bar has been represented. In this you can use a shortcut key for opening quotation. In this you can see a quotation option has been reflected with some quotation menu has been reflected with some menu, that is quotation setting, new quotation, quotation listing, sales and marketing number, followed by zap quotation. Now we have to simply click on quotation setting for setting new settings for our quotation. After clicking on quotation setting, you can see that on a computer screen two parts have been reflected on quotation setting. Number 1, quotation header, and number 2, quotation footer. And the first point is text prefix. In text prefix, you can add any prefix you want. Suppose I have added CAS as my text prefix. Now you can add number prefix as you want. Suppose I have added 20012 as my number prefix. This number prefix and text prefix represents the quotation number and quotation code in which we will prepare quotation. When we will prepare quotation, a quotation number is represented on front of the page so that we can identify our quotation number, and if we want to open it, we can simply press our quotation number and our quotation will be open. Now in this integration type invoice header notes, this header note is also we can maintain by our choice. You can write any note as you wish in your quotation. It is not compulsory you write this quotation. Every quotation is applicable which you want. Now the second part is quotation footer. In quotation footer there are few points like terms of payment, modification, training venue, cancellation and footer note. In this it is not compulsory that you can use this features. You can set any setting you want. You can set any note, footer note as you per your choice and as per your applications. After this, the setting has been confirmed. You have changes some change. Now you can just click on submit button represented on right hand side of your computer screen, represented by blue box, and then submit this setting and your setting will be performed. Now you can see your quotation setting has been changed. Now we will prepare a quotation. After pressing quotation menu, you can see various sub menus is represented. Now we will go in new quotation for making a new quotation. Now you can see that after making settings changes, a quotation page has been reflected on our screen. In this, firstly, a company's info, company's title has been given, company's info has been given, company's address, registration number, UEN number, phone number and fax number. All company's detail is reflected in below of the page. Now we will see that quotation. Here quotation number is reflected by CAS 20013. This is our quotation number as stated in quotation setting. The quotation number CAS 20013. Like this, in quotation header we have represented text prefix CAS and number suffix 20012. So like this we have represented in our quotation the quotation number represented by CAS 20013. Now on the left hand side of the corner the option is to select customer. Now for selecting customer you have to just press on select customer and The customers list will be seen on your computer screen. By your choice, you can select any customer you want. Suppose I have selected NU Aristocraft DI BAS AC053 SGD customer as my customer, followed by his address 4545 hash 1207 Henderson IND Park. Its email, phone number, all details are given here. Now we have to select salesman for doing transaction. Suppose I have selected Joy and Jamie as my salesperson. After selecting Joy and Jamie, you have shown add products or services to the cart option on your computer screen, followed by yes button in green color. After pressing yes button, you can see a user guide have been reflected by enter all products first, select service item last. For this, it represents that you have to enter all the products first and then you have to enter services in last. By this, you have to click on OK button and this changes will be saved automatically. Now you can see that a quotation header is represented on below the product line. This is a new header default. This is your product quotation header. See, in quotation setting, you have set quotation header as a header node. This is a new header default. This is the header node which is reflected below the product line as quotation header in front of the computer screen. Now we will select some products for transaction. Suppose I have selected Omo Biz System as my product. Now you can see on this that Omo Biz System is my product and the unit per price is 2200. Now if I want to select 3 quantity, you can simply write 3 on the quantity box and you can see that your amount will be 6600 of 3 quantity. And you can also see in unit price the currency will be SGD. This is our currency of customer. If we are dealing with customer of Singapore, the Singapore currency will be reflected here. If we deal with Australian customer, the Australian currency will be reflected here. Now the discount option is reflected on our computer screen. You can press any amount for discount. That suppose I have added 2% as discount for the item. The amount will become 6468 in total. Now you can see GST amount 452.76 is shown for this product. And at last, here add description option is also shown for adding some special features for the product. Now I will add some more products for my product line. Suppose in search bar I can type any alphabet or any product I want to wish. Suppose I have typed EPSON Epson as my product. You can simply click on Epson and your product will be added to your product line. You can see the unit price is 680 before adding quantity. 680 is per unit price of Epson LQ 590 dot matrix printer. After adding 4 or 2 or 3 quantity, your amount will become 2720.00. The discount column represents how much discount you want to give to your customer. Suppose I have clicked 3% discount for Epson dot matrix printer, the amount will become 2638.40 as the total amount, followed with 184.69 GST amount. Now you can see here two box represents add description and remove. In this, add description means you can add any features or any descriptions related to the product. In red box, remove option shows if you don't want to set this product as your product line, you can simply click remove. The product will be removed from your product line and now you can add new product as your product line. Suppose I have added iPad mini iPad mini Wi-Fi 16 GB. Now the product is added in my product line followed by 396 unit per price. If I added 5 quantity, the amount will change to 1980 as the total amount. Before discount, if I have given 2% discount to a customer, the amount will become 1940.40 included GST 135.83. Now you can add description as per your choice. Now I will add third product in my product line. Suppose I have added iPhone 6 plus 64 GB. Now iPhone 6 plus 64 GB is added in my product line for by 1288 unit per price. Now if I had added 2 as per quantity, the price will become 2576.00 as 2 quantity of iPhone 6 plus 64 GB. If I have given 3% discount, if you have given 3% discount to your customer, the amount will become 2498.72. As per your requirement, you can give any discount to your customer. Now you can see add description box is represented by green box, green color. So I will click on add description, and in here add details description for iPhone 6 plus 64 GB. Now here you can write any description relating to your product, your features, your product's feature, functions, anything you can write. Suppose I have written front camera facing 1.2 megapixel and rear facing camera 5 megapixel. These two are the features of or descriptions of your iPhone 6 plus 64 GB. Now you can simply click on save button and your description will be saved and it will be represented on your computer screen followed below iPhone 6 plus 64 GB here. Now after this you can see on your computer screen in right hand side done with product list option is written with yes followed by green color or no followed by red color. After this you can simply click on yes and your product will be selected for your product line. Now you can select services for this. Suppose I have selected ACRA 058 start CFPF amount for my services. Now you can see that start CPF amount is my services added to my product line followed by 300 amount and 21.00 as GST. So now you can see here add description and remove button is as shown as above. Now this if you have removed the services, if you click on remove button, the services you have added first will be removed from your computer screen as shown here. If you want to add some more services, you can just simply want to click on service, select services and you can select any services as per your choice. Suppose I have selected 3-star plan, 3-star support plan. My services will be added to my computer screen with 2400 amount and 168.00 GST. Now if you want to add one more services, you can simply click on select service and you can add your services as followed. Now after selecting products and services, you have to just click on yes button to save your services. Now you can see that a total amount is been represented on your computer screen followed by subtotal 13307.12. If you want to give some overall or some lump sum discount to your customer, you can write here. Suppose I have given 5% discount to my customer. The amount will become 12641.76 after deducting 5% discount from 13307.12. If and this GST percent represents all GST amount I have you have done before. Suppose in your product you have given here GST amount is this 430.12, 129.04, 166.16, 159.68. This all is your GST amount, and this all the sum of this all will be shown here as GST amount of overall. Now, after adding GST amount 884.92 in your 12641.76 amount, the total sum will be paid will 13526.68. Now, after adding amount, giving discount or adding GST, you can see that a quotation footer is represented on your computer screen. See, as I have discussed earlier in quotation setting, quotation footer represents of these points: terms of payment, training venue, modifications, cancellation, and footer notes. In this, you can write any footer note as per your choice or any cancellation point as per your regarding your rules. So this is footer note which is represented below the product line as followed in quotation line. This you can write any footer note or any cancellation point as per your choice. After this, you can see here 3 button is represented by print with simple letterhead, print without letterhead, and submit. Print with simple letterhead is represented by blue box, print without letterhead is represented by yellow box, submit is represented by green box. If you want to print it with simple letterhead, you have to just click on print with simple letterhead, and now you can see a letter format of quotation has been represented on your screen. This is company's information, customers detail, salesman detail, product and services description. This is the total amount after lump sum discount and GST, followed by your footer notes and terms of payment or training voucher. This is print with simple letterhead. If you want to print it, you can just simply click on print, or if you don't want to click, you can simply click on cancel. After clicking on cancel, you can see here a button called print without letterhead is also shown. If you don't want to print it with letterhead, you can simply click on yellow button, and you can see a print without letterhead is represented on your computer board. In this, a change is that in print with simple letterhead, company's info is represented on front of the letter. In this, no company info, no information, nothing is represented on your computer screen. This is the difference between print with simple letterhead and print without letterhead. In this, you can see customers detail, salesperson detail, product description and service description, all lump sum amount, GST, and your footer note is also represented below the product line. Now, if you want to print it, you can simply click on print button, or if you don't want to print it, you can simply click on cancel button, and you can go on your previous page and see the now this green button submit represents. If you click on submit, your quotation will be confirmed by us. Now this quotation confirmation will be done. If you want to confirm this quotation, you can click yes. If you don't want to confirm, you can click yes. Suppose I have confirmed this confirmation quotation. My quotation will be confirmed. In confirmed quotation box, in confirmed quotation sub menu, which is represented in quotation third point, quotation listing, where my confirmed quotation has been see. I have made CAS 20013 as my quotation reference number. My quotation is this: customer, subtotal, lump sum amount, and price after some discount. My all points have been shown here with final amount, document dates. All the information has been created in confirmation quotation line. Thank you.